Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to edit Yext listing information in GoHighLevel. Now this is going to be a really quick video. For this, you will need a GoHighLevel account, so you can get one with our 30-day free trial down below. So obviously what you want to do is you want to go to your sub account. Now once you visit your sub account, you want to go to your reputation here. Now, as you can see, I don't have any listings right here. So as you can see, you will need to go to listings. Now on your listings, as you can see, for me, it says, please contact my email to get Yext. So basically what I need is, I actually need an access to this. So I don't have access to this because I don't have Yext. However, when you have Yext, this is how it's going to look like. You basically want to go to edit listing information. This is how it's going to look like. You just go here, edit listing information. You need to be on the listing side here. And from here, what you want to do is you basically want to go here. And as you can see, you'll have your listing information. So you have business name, business categories, phone number, email address. You will have city, state, country, and zip code here. Now, not only that, you will have other things such as business details, business description. You can generate this description yourself. You can have your website URL as well, so you can put that on Yext as well. And yeah, as you can see, the future streamlines the process, making it quicker than ever to update essential information about your business. So basically, this way you will be able to update your business in a really great way. Now, not only Yext, you also have Yelp, you have Facebook, Alexa, Google My Business, Super Pages, Yahoo, Yellow Pages, City Search, pretty much every single thing when it comes to reputation management and review management. So that's basically what you need to know for this particular tutorial. If you have any questions, comment down below, and definitely visit our link down below to get a 30-day free trial on your GoHighLevel account. Thank you guys for watching.